Hi boys and girls, this is vocabulary lesson 7 and we are going to talk more about the words we learned from the two Bobbies. The first word is bustle. Bustle means to rush or hurry in an excited, noisy, or busy way. The next word is volunteer. Volunteer means offer to do something or help someone by choice. When you volunteer, you do something because you want to do it. You do not expect pay or a reward. The third word is debris. Debris is the scattered pieces of something that has been thrown away, broken, or destroyed. Which of these three words that we went over did you think was most interesting? Point to it on your screen. Which one was most fun to talk about and think about? Okay, we're going to play a game. It's called I'm Thinking of a Word. I'm going to give a clue, and you have to try and guess which of these three words I'm talking about. Here we go. We're going to do one for free, and then the rest go in your sticky note. Here's the first one that's a practice. I'm thinking of a word you might use to describe trash and litter on the beach. Which word do you think I'm thinking of? Bustle, volunteer, or debris? All right. Trash or litter on the beach, the best word is debris. Okay, now it's time to get out your sticky note. You're going to put your name on it, and you're going to number it from 1 to 5 down the side, just like we do for a word wall. Pause the video until you have your sticky note with your name on it and have it numbered 1 to 5. All right, we're going to keep playing I'm Thinking of a Word. I'm going to do 5 clues, and each time I give a clue, you're going to write which word of the 3 goes with that clue. Okay, here's the first clue. This is number 1. I'm thinking of a word that is a synonym of the word rush. Synonym means the same as the word rush. You're going to write the word next to number 1 on your sticky note. Is it bustle, volunteer, or debris? You should spell the word correctly because it's right here in front of you. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, here's number 2. It's going to be one of these 3 words. I'm thinking of a word that tells what you do when you help someone without asking for anything in return. It's one of these 3 words: bustle, volunteer, or debris. Write the answer for number 2 on your sticky note next to the number 2. Okay, here's number 3. I'm thinking of a word that tells what you might do when you are excited and in a hurry to go somewhere. Is it bustle, volunteer, or debris? Write that word next to number 3 on your sticky note. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, here's number 4. I'm thinking of a word you might use to describe the fallen objects that cover the ground after an earthquake. Is it bustle, volunteer, or debris? Write that word next to number 4 on your sticky note. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, here's number 5. This is the last one. I'm thinking of a word that describes what you do when you help clean up the cafeteria by sweeping or picking up garbage on the table. What is that word that describes what you're doing when you help? Is it bustle, volunteer, or debris? Write one of those words next to number 5. If you're all done, that means you have 1 through 5 all filled out on your sticky note. With each one will have either the word bustle, volunteer, or debris. If you need to rewind the video to try again, you can. Once you're all done. Okay, you should have 1 through 5 all filled out with the words bustle, volunteer, or debris. Put your sticky note in your sticky spot once you're all done. Thank you.